Okay guys, I'm gonna leave my luggage here and go to the city and then come back to get it. Let's hope I don't miss the plane. But I've been learning Dutch for the past 2 minutes. Some might say I sound like a local. Some is me. So I don't know why they write it with a G, E and then gedempte single. Okay, can you say it?
Ik moet zo terug naar de gedempte singelgracht.
Ik moet ze terug naar de gedempte singelgracht.
Yay! Actually, was that bad?
Yeah, I know, right? I just need to learn. Gedempte singelgracht is the name of the street, guys. If you guys don't know how to pronounce it, then ask me, because I'm a professional. I've been doing this for the past 3 minutes. Nah, but okay, I found out how you could get a ticket on your phone, because my eyes was embarrassed yesterday. So 9292 is the app. 9292. It looks like this. You just write where you're from or where you're going to, and then you can choose.
You know what you need to feel? You need to, like, from Central Station when you come back, get into the bus and say, ik moet zo terug naar de gedempte singelgracht.
You'll be like, excuse me, I speak English. I'll be like, well, I speak only Dutch. So, talk about the embarrassment. He'll make me spell it out. Ik moet, it's like a 5-year-old child. Ik moet terug naar de gedempte singelgracht.
Yeah, but you say it quite well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Feeling much better.
Hey guys, I cannot believe I made the same mistake again. I filmed this clip in slow motions, as you guys can see. You guys can't even hear what I'm saying, but I was basically explaining that they have a creative space on the 3rd floor that I didn't know until the last minute when I went to shower. So they have a shower like right behind me, as you guys can see. You can also see that I have a coffee machine. There's a table where you can sit and relax. Behind the camera, like you guys can see, there's like pouches where you can also sit and talk, just so you guys know if you're a creative person like me.
How? Oh, shit.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so I finally made the bus. I'm on my way to the city. It's a fresh face. Oh, no makeup kind of day. I got so much luggage. I'm contemplating how I'm going to be able to take everything on a plane.
Bye-bye, my love. I had a wonderful time.
Wow. Yes, it worked. Guys, time is catching up on me. I need to hurry up.